Local college students will soon close out the fall semester.
But for some, staying enrolled this fall was a challenge as their tuition spiked after the state ended the Texas DREAM Act. The law used to allow undocumented students to pay in-state tuition rates if they met certain criteria.
KVUE has been following one UT student's educational journey since June. Here's Kelsey Sanchez.
Mariette started her final semester at UT in August. She's on her way to earn her bachelor's degree and hopefully achieve her dream of practicing medicine.
I'm starting to realize that it's almost over.
But this walk to campus is one she never thought she would make again.
Because I know some people didn't get to come back. So I was really lucky and I felt really grateful to be back.
We first connected with Mariette in July when she was one of many undocumented students to receive a letter from the university asking her to provide proof of lawful status or presence. Part of a move by the Texas Higher Education Coordinating Board aimed to determine which students would have to pay out-of-state tuition after the end of the DREAM Act. Mariette's tuition doubled to about $22,000, leaving her and her parents in a difficult position.
They borrowed $10,000. Now I've paid everything off now, and my parents are just slowly paying back the friend. I mean, my mom, she got another job. She has 2 jobs already, and she got another job. I think she quit recently just because it was too much for her.
Since 2001, the Texas DREAM Act allowed students like Mariette the chance to pay in-state tuition if they graduated from a Texas high school and have lived in the state for at least 3 years. In June, the Justice Department sued Texas over the DREAM Act, arguing it unlawfully provided benefits to non-citizens that aren't provided to U.S. citizens. And the state attorney general's office agreed to end the law. Since then, civil rights groups and local colleges, including ACLU of Texas and Austin Community College, have tried to intervene in the case to bring the DREAM Act back.
The students that I've seen have been forced to take 1 or 2 courses. Many of them have dropped out of school. Many of them have had to transfer to colleges where the tuition is lower. Some of them are not going to be able to finish school at all.
Barbara Hines founded and directed the immigration clinic at UT's law school and says ending the DREAM Act has a direct effect on the Texas economy.
We have workforce shortages. We need an educated population for the 21st century. And so why would you want to drive students out, many of whom have college degrees? Why would you want to drive them out of our state and have them relocate to other states? It just doesn't make any sense.
According to research published in March by the American Immigration Council, it will cost the state more than $461 million annually, including $244 million in lost wages.
This has resulted in significant costs to taxpayers.
During the regular legislative session, State Senator Mays Middleton authored a bill aimed at getting rid of in-state tuition eligibility for undocumented students. He said in the 2024 to 2025 school year, taxpayers were subsidizing $150 million to fund their higher education.
These are funds that could have been used to support lawful residents, perhaps even used to lower tuition or fees for citizens.
While his bill didn't pass, the DREAM Act ended anyway. We reached out to Middleton's office several times in the past month to discuss why he introduced the bill. His team stopped responding to our requests. But during April's committee hearing, he had this to say.
If we had a secure border this whole time, this wouldn't be an issue, right? Wouldn't be an issue.
Since sharing her story, Mariette is aware of the criticism and comments online.
Hearing people be really critical of us is hard, just because I know me, I know what I'm doing, I know what my family's doing, I know other families, and they're not doing anything wrong in my perspective.
So she says she's focusing on her last semester. In Austin, Kelsey Sanchez, KVUE News.
Well, now, even though the state agreed with the DOJ to end the Texas DREAM Act, the case is still pending in a federal appeals court. More than 35 legal groups and institutions of higher ed have filed briefs of support to try to revive the law.